Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video today for the Vizio mainboard for M550nv. This is unique marking shown by the customer, drawn by the customer on the heatsink. That might be their signature, I don't know. I'm focusing on it so that the customer can be certain that this is the board that they will be receiving back. Today's date, 1st, 30th, 17th, and our usual setup that you can see in all our videos. Yet another board that is waiting to be tested. First, volume control from here. Increase. We'll also turn it off from this. Well, let me show you the picture because I want to be curious about it. This is our media player that you can see in other videos that we use for testing the HDMI feed-in signal because it's so easy. Powered by the USB, feeding the HDMI. It's just a good test for both the HDMI and the USB functionality. Control with this. Volume up. Muted now. Mute back. Volume down. Power off. And that is it. Hope that it all works good. Thank you.